My life be like, yeah, my life be like.
Welcome to TechNana. You ever try to pack for a weekend trip and realize half your gear's still on the ground? That's where the Polaris XPEDITION ADV5 tailgate extender flips the script. It folds out to stretch your cargo bed from 33.5 to 60.5 inches, boosting storage by nearly 45% without needing a trailer. Honestly, for off-roaders and overlanders, it's clever and kind of essential. You're looking at around $249 for the upgrade. Okay, this one's just showing off, but in a good way. The GMC Sierra's MultiPro tailgate isn't just a tailgate, it's 6 different tools in one. It folds, flips, and transforms into a step, a desk, a load stop, even a second-tier shelf. Feels like a Swiss Army knife for your truck bed. Maybe overkill for some, but a dream for contractors. Standard on most trims, but if you're buying the base model, it's a premium add-on worth around $1,000. Ever tried loading 2 e-bikes onto a rack, in the rain, with frozen fingers? The Thule Epos doesn't care, it's built for that. Its telescopic arms pivot and clamp onto any part of your bike, no matter the frame or fenders. It's fast, tool-free, and folds down when you're done. Super slick, but definitely a luxury move. The 2-bike version runs about $1,299. Ever seen a bug deflector that doubles as a light bar? The AVS Aeroskin LightShield blends a low-profile hood protector with a built-in amber LED strip. It mounts flush to your truck's hood using 3M tape, no drilling, no drama, and lights up with your parking lights or turn signals. It's slick, subtle, and honestly more about style than necessity, but it does both. You'll find it online for about $279. You just dropped $5,000 on a trailer wrap, and now your tires are flinging gravel at it. Rock Tamers are hitch-mounted, fully adjustable mud flaps that shield whatever you're towing. They fit 2 inches or 2.5 inches receivers, adjust for width and height, and come off in seconds when you're not hauling. It's a smart, rugged solution, especially if you're tired of repainting your boat trailer. Expect to pay around $379 for the full system. Imagine lifting a 1,200-pound generator into your truck, alone. The LiftGator XTR turns any pickup into a powered liftgate in under 3 minutes. No welding, no mods. It mounts to your hitch, folds out a 48-inch platform, and runs on a rechargeable battery. It's overkill for weekend movers, but for contractors or fleet crews, game changer. The price tag lands at $3,395. You ever try to eat a burger in the car and end up wearing half of it? The Sodoride removable tray and cup holder is a 4-in-1 setup that expands your center console into a mini dining table. It's got a 10-inch tray for food, a phone slot for Netflix binges, and a self-locking rotary base that keeps everything stable, even on bumpy roads. It's clever, no doubt, but maybe a bit much if you're not living out of your car. The full kit goes for about $35. You park for 10 minutes, come back, and your steering wheel's hotter than a stovetop. The Sineka retractable windshield sun visor solves that with a pull-across shade that blocks up to 99% of UV rays. It mounts with suction cups, fits most cars, and folds away like a window blind. No more wrestling with accordion-style sunshades. It's simple, effective, and honestly long overdue. You can grab one for around $21. Parallel parking? Try moving sideways. Literally. Hyundai's e-corner system, first demoed on the Mobion EV, lets each wheel rotate independently, so your car can crab walk, pivot in place, or slide diagonally into tight spots. It's a full reimagining of vehicle movement, combining steer-by-wire, brake-by-wire, and electric drive modules at each wheel. It's not on the market yet, but it's real and it's coming. Hyundai unveiled it at CES 2024 and, yeah, the future just took a hard left. What if your car could think like a gamer, adjusting every move in real time? ZF's CubiX isn't hardware, it's pure software that controls your car's entire chassis: steering, braking, damping, and suspension. It syncs all those systems through a central brain, letting vehicles adapt instantly to road conditions, driver input, or even software updates. It's not something you buy off the shelf, it's what automakers like Lotus and Goodyear are already building into their next-gen platforms. No price tag here, it's baked into the DNA of future cars. You ever wish your tailgate could just do more? The Elongator multifunction tailgate replaces your factory gate with a fold-out platform and 2 hidden aluminum ramps that support up to 700 pounds each. It extends your truck bed by nearly 2 feet and folds flat for loading ATVs, mowers, or anything with wheels. It's a genius blend of form and function, especially if you're tired of hauling loose ramps. The full system starts around $1,627 unpainted. Your axle deep in mud, no cell signal, and the sun's going down. That's when the ZESUPER 9,500-pound electric winch earns its keep. With a 5.5 horsepower motor, synthetic rope, IP68 waterproofing, and both wired and wireless remotes, it's built for serious off-road recovery. It's not the fanciest winch out there, but for weekend warriors and budget-conscious overlanders, it's a solid bet. You'll find it online for about $279. You're towing a 30-foot camper, and your factory mirrors might as well be blindfolds. That's why Clearview's next-gen towing mirrors exist, full replacement units with a dual mirror design, a large flat mirror for true distance, and a convex lower mirror to kill blind spots. They extend out when you tow, retract when you don't, and plug right into your factory wiring. No drilling, no rewiring. It's a clean, rugged upgrade that's been tested in the Australian outback, and it shows. Pricing starts around $835, depending on your vehicle and finish. Most adjustable hitches make you unhook the trailer just to change the height. Who has time for that? The Rhino hitch flips that script with a patented design that lets you adjust drop height while still hitched. It's CNC machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, supports up to 16,000 pounds, and comes in multiple drop sizes and finishes. It's overbuilt, over-engineered, and honestly overkill for casual use, but if you tow often, it's the last hitch you'll ever need. Prices range from about $200 to $565.